you need to do a keyword research. This is because you can't do without keywords when it comes to content. You can't do without keywords. In fact, when it comes to search engine optimization, keywords are inevitable. So how do you ensure that you are using the right keywords to get the right attention from the right people? The choice of keywords that you use determines the kind of leads you get. Your choice of keywords could determine if you will be getting more conversion or less conversion. Using the right keywords is very essential to your SEO strategy. Using the right keywords is very important to your brand. So, while creating your content, before creating your content, after creating your content, you need to keep researching to get the right keywords from the right people to get the right attention for the right purpose. That means you need to go online, make your research to find out which keywords is more effective, which keywords will drive you the traffic you need, which keywords align more with your audience, which keyword your target audience will be interested in. Understanding how the search engine works and understanding how to use the right keywords is the secret sauce to search engine optimization. So once you understand what and how users are searching the internet, and you understand the kind of words, you know, the specific words they put into the search engine that they expect to get something from, and you can create content that meets or aligns with this, with what they are looking for, then you are on the right track. Then you are creating the value they are looking for. You are creating the right content for them. So this is why keywords research is very important. You need to be sure that you are creating the right content that people are looking for.